It's late morning. The mahouts are busy nursing their patients.
Elephants, they are social animal. You talk to them, you want to feed them, they will come be your friends. And then they will good to you.
Being a mahout is a job for life. Some have worked with their elephants for more than 40 years.
My grandfather, my uncle, my father, they used to be mahout. And I think if I can take care of this animal, I think it's special for me.
At the hospital, the mahout can reassure the elephant and encourage them to accept veterinary care as stress-free as possible.